Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon egg bites, just like your favorite coffee shop. These savory, protein-packed treats are perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve that signature creamy texture right in your own kitchen, saving you time and money. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese for that creamy texture, and 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. Don't forget 4 strips of crispy, cooked bacon, crumbled into small pieces. A dash of salt and a pinch of black pepper will perfectly season your bites. Next, combine your eggs, cottage cheese, salt, and pepper in a blender. Process until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Then, gently stir in your shredded Gruyere cheese and the crispy bacon pieces. Pour this mixture into a greased 12-cup silicone muffin mold, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake them in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Once baked, let your egg bites cool for a few minutes before carefully removing them from the molds. They are best enjoyed warm, offering a wonderfully fluffy and flavorful experience. For meal prep, store any leftover bites in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. You can easily reheat them in the microwave for a quick, satisfying meal anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.